Bitcoin is charging toward the stars, but have you noticed something a little strange? Every time we hit a psychological level, boom, it's like the market hits an invisible wall. That's not random, and today I'm breaking down the truth behind Bitcoin's key levels, the manipulation at play, and how you can outsmart the system to secure massive gains this cycle. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to BitBoyX, home of the Bit Squad, the highest IQ investors in all the interwebs. I'm your host, your humble host, the BitBoy. If you're here to decode the hidden forces shaping the market and position yourself for life-changing gains, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Today, we're talking about Bitcoin's $108,000 zone, why $128,000 might be your last exit, and how to ride the wave like a pro. Here's what they don't want you to know. The market isn't random, it's controlled. Levels like 98K, 108K, and 128K aren't just numbers. They're checkpoints where the big players measure momentum, manipulate sentiment, and decide the next big move. Why these levels matter? $98,000, 98K, this level acted as a launch pad earlier this year. Breaking through it was a signal that Bitcoin's bull run was back in full swing. 108K, we're here now, or we were just a couple days ago, and it's the new accumulation zone. This is where the market is testing strength, shaking out weak hands, and preparing for the next leg up. 128K, this is the make or break level for Bitcoin. If we hit this, smart money will start scaling out, and retail FOMO will reach its peak. Think about it, these levels aren't random, they're where the elites test market sentiment and decide if Bitcoin is ready to break higher. It's like a controlled experiment, and we're all kind of part of it. So here's how it works. You have momentum testing. At each key level, the market makers gauge whether there's enough buying power to sustain the rally. Shaking out retail. By creating resistance, they scare weak hands into selling, allowing institutions to accumulate at lower prices. Psychological traps. These levels act as a magnet for FOMO, drawing in retail investors right before the next shakeout. This is where the Bit Squad has the edge. See, you're not just along for the ride, you're playing the game. Here's how to outsmart the system. Buy the shakeouts. As Bitcoin retraces between 98K and 102K, don't panic. Strategically, add to your position. Set your exit zones. As we approach 128,000, start scaling out. Leave some in for the blow off top, but secure your profits early. Watch altcoin rotations. As Bitcoin consolidates, altcoins will start moving, and this is where you can catch explosive gains. Here's the harsh truth though. This game is rigged, but it doesn't mean you can't win. The elites control the narratives, the liquidity, and the sentiment. But once you see the patterns, you can stay one step ahead of the game. 108K accumulation. Right now, we're in a consolidation phase. This is where the institutions are loading up while retail investors hesitate. We have the $128,000 distribution. By the time we hit this level, the smart money will be cashing out, leaving latecomers holding the bag. Remember, this cycle just isn't about Bitcoin hitting 140K. It's about knowing when to act before the crowd. So here's the bottom line. Bitcoin's $108,000 level is a testing ground. 120K to 140K is where the pros exit. And 200K, well, that's the carrot they're gonna dangle to keep retail hooked. If you play it smart, you can ride the wave and lock in life-changing gains. If you're ready to trade with precision, check out my Phemex link in the description for up to $30,000 in bonuses. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and join the Bit Squad to stay ahead of the game. This is your cycle. Don't let it slip away. That's all I've got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.